Okay, so welcome everyone, and thank you for joining. This is the second transmission for the Living Sound Light Systems. And the Living Sound Light Systems are a multi-dimensional body of energy, of a modality of healing tools, and quite incredible experience in when you have a session or anything like that. It's just quite an amazing experience of moving you through, shifting you through, and expanding into your higher frequencies. Today, we are going to do the Living Sound Light Temple teachings, which is part of the modality. There's 12 systems, and this is one of the systems. And it's Temple of One Heart, Higher Love. So what I'm going to do, what I'll do is I'll read through the card with you, and we'll make it the meditation. I'll bring in language of light. I'll bring in whatever else needs to come, but I'll be basically using the information on the back of these cards, which is a little hard to bring. Oh, there you go. You can kind of see it there. But you'll hear it. As I'm speaking it, you'll hear it. And as the language comes through, it will be all part of your transmission, your healing, whatever you require today. There's nothing specific that I'm doing other than reading the card. The card is infinite. The words are infinite. The channelings were infinite in the way that they were brought through, and that they will serve each of you respectively in the perfection of what's going through and what's happening to you right here, right now. So if you've got things going on, it will help you shift. If you need expansion, it will help you expand. Whatever it is, if you require color or sound or music or light within your systems, that will happen. So this is the beauty of these cards, and allowing them to be the gatekeeper for you. So each of you will receive individually, although collectively you might be hearing the one voice or the same words. You'll experience them in different ways. So this is also a sound key, and the sound that comes through is Shayom Nam Nana. And it's an energy of letting go of any resistance, of you allowing yourself to open your hearts to free any old wounds or anything you're holding, anything that doesn't serve, and also expanding that energy into the higher heart, into your higher dimensional heart, what we'll call the fifth dimensional heart, just to keep it simple. So all you need to do now is relax, just receive, and that's all that you need to do. I'm just turning off my focus to make sure nobody interrupts us. And just be open to receiving. That's all that's asked of you. And we'll just go from there. I'm going to start with an opening prayer, and I'll close with a closing prayer. This is from the Living Sound Light Systems, and this prayer was also channeled. And I'll start with the prayer, then we'll get into the card, which again is called Temple One Heart Higher Love. And then I'll complete with a prayer. So it should take around 20 minutes, no more. All right? All right, so just relaxing. The main thing is that you are open to receive, that you are open to feel and to ignite, and allow your energies to flow through you. Gentle breaths in and out. Miaratani kia salalani maratono no koichira. Ke la mondara shanaka saramanda aniki. Elahalani kia sarutono no koichira tonakayama. Elani amaratono koyesh. Esahalani kia maratono no koichira tono salana. And I'll just read the prayer. Just gentle breaths in and out. I'm aligned and balanced with my divine I am, and all that is pure love, joy, and truth in the presence and the awareness of now. My great heart, my great mind, my great being rises and flows within to meet my great soul in all its infinite perfection, in every way, in every moment, in every now. I dwell in the silence of my heart, the pure potential that I am, as a divine and infinite vibration as source on earth, of stars and of stone. I am the divine blueprint of source, of earth as source as heaven, and heaven as source as earth. So be it, and so it is. And may all creation be blessed. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ilamandiara shanakai sani hilalakiana. Elomandura shanaki nesaratono koi shanakayim. May the light of grace and love flow through you always eternally. And may you know the light that you are as heaven on earth. Ilahalani ki saratono no koi chiara. Esalani iki ratono no hoyaki. Esalahalani iki ratono. So now I'm just going to move through the words on the cards. So just feel them as gentle transmissions and activations, as setting free, and as bringing in, as the light within you flows, lets go, expands and grows. Living Sunlight Temple Teachings, Temple 1 Heart Higher Love. This is the sound key of your heart. Shayom Nam Nana. Shayom Nam Nana. Miara Tuno Kochira. Shayom Nam Nana. Just feel the sounds of that song of your heart through your bodies. Shayom Nam Nana. Shayom Nam Nana. Shayom Nam Nana. I am infinite divine connection and a divine master on earth. I am cosmic and universal rainbow mastery through my sacred heart as I connect with stars and with stone. Tia rotono no koye chiara kara nisa rotono no koye neakayemana. Elani ki sarutono no koye chiara tono kaye sanaratana. Leleni I ratono no koye chiara soratono no. Kiana ratano ko chiara sa karatana. Elani maratono. Chiara koye ne saratono no koye ne. I am the rainbow spiral. I am the sound bridge between my great heart and my great mind and my great voice. I initiate cosmic sound, personal power and healing through my great heart. And they're just bringing some energy into your throat and your thalamus energy. Eloha yamakuya te chiane kia sarutono no koichi. Kakuya ne tana nanatia ta sarutono. Ukaya maha e chiaratuno, tura nanakachi ne sarutuno. You may feel energy letting go. You may feel energy coming in. Whatever you require through your great I am is happening. Elani amarutuno no koye chiaratuno nakai. Your great I am is always eternally within you, around you, watching over you. Elohaya matunane ki asurata. Connecting and communicating with you. This energy is just shifting and clearing so that you know the balance of your great heart, your great I am. Elohayana ki asarotono, your source, your soul. Echiaratono no koyechi na kayena kayana. Elalani eki asaratono. The transmission of your heart, voice, higher voice, mind or brain, higher mind and brain, so that you can bring this unification of sound and light through your being now. Iatura shanane ki asalala alaki, elolana ki amasoratonana koyechiaratuno. I am divine compassion and divine love in presence. I am love of all one, expressing on earth and aligning with my twin heart flame within me. Te tera shanakai sarotono, within everything. Enano tutono ko salani ki atarashana. Elanar manda ani tera tuno no koye. Elani, 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 elani. Elasarotono no koye chiarotono oneki. Sehine ki na ala, ala, ala. Charotono no koye chiarotono sora. Sora, Sora, Chalunakaima, Nenenekianakai, Sharu. I step into self-healing through joy, and it initiates and ignites all energy through my beautiful immune system, expanding, extending, bringing joy, love, light into my immune system now. Tanunano tuya tiata, te ka te la suratane, temparatane ki, seratuno oniara kachi te sarut ono, alani marotuno no koyechera, ala a, ala a, ala a. Esunano koeretani ki ni kiera tuno no koyeshana kaisa. I am the divine engagement and flow from my physical to cosmic through this quantum doorway and supreme gateway of love, the light of voice eternal within me and within everything. Te ta sura tunono koe chiara, keni amara tunono koe sa nono koe chiara ta, alu oya kunam batara satu, tanana kati me saru tuno no koyeti, elani maratuna kani saru, eya nuno. Feel your hearts open to your expansive light. I feel my heart open to my expansive light and my love. And I breathe in love. And I breathe out love. Elano koreshana saramandata nekiana. Lelani I ki sanono hoya, te la mondara shana koisan. Iatuno no koye chiara, sunana ha I mani akai, e luna karo tuno no sara tuno, chara naniki. I open my heart on multiple levels. I am divine regeneration through and within my physical heart and expanding that light out to my everything. Tete sarunana koyani chiara, ulana salani ira tuno koratan, tanuna saro tuno koyani chiara, telanu kolam saro, tunene ki chiara shana, selani ira tuno koya. Te ramando dono koishana, selani ira tu, elananakai, and feel your heart spilling open with joy and love, and every cell in your body just singing the light, singing the music of your soul through your being, and extending and expanding past the physical form into your multi-dimensional frequencies through the galaxies, through the universes, the omniverse, through great and into the source of all that is. Miara tono ko chiara tana. I remember who I am. Through my higher heart, higher love. Through my everything, I remember who I am. Mialana karashanshan. Setura shaneki asalani ikiera. Totono no koye chiara tono saratono. Hela mandera. Tiasuna karamandata neciera, selani inkiana shatuno. I align my voice, my higher mind, my higher heart as one union. I expand into self-love, compassion, joy, and peace in my life now. Taluna aratani kiatsero tono no koyechiara. Elamandara tunana yakayim. I am higher love. I am the voice of my higher universal sound. I am the mind of the one union of source. And together the three become one in union of love, the greatest love I have ever known. Te arotono koe chiarakati me kiana salani. Te rutono na kai chira ki sarotono no koya. Elani maratono no koe chira. Alani maratuno koe chira. E Sanaki, for I am love and I am one. Te Tuna Saratuno, for I am love and I am one. Totoro Saratuno, for I am love and I am one. Totoro Saratuno, Chichiana Kai. Salani Maratuno no Koye Chiratuna Nakala, Salamondara Shanana. The living sound light temples are the flow of energy through my being now, eternally forever, moving, flowing through grace and love. Tatura Shanana Kasaratuno. The winds have just come up here, so utilize the energy of the winds, of air, to move the energy through. All that needs to go, goes. All that needs to come, comes through your great I am. Elani maratuno no koye chiara, sani makai ni amai. Melanana kuratane saro, enyano koye tina, lenaro tanakani. Chiara sono no koye natara sham, saluna koratani, menikina. Elano koratuna katine sarotono, Tandura Shan, Tandura Shan. Mialona koratona kara Shan. Sanonokoi, Sanonokoi, Sanonokoi. Alania marotono koyecha, Leleni kiera Sham. I am the sound key, Sheyom Nam Nana. The sound key of my heart, higher love. Sheyom Nam Nana. Sheyom Nam Nana. Telanu sarotono no koe chiara. Taruna, Taruna, Taruna. Tetene ki salalani irata. Halani marona kuratana salani. Breathing in. I am higher heart, higher love, one love. I am higher heart, higher love, one love. Neratuna nakaiche. Your cells are singing. Elani amarutono. My cells are singing of greatest love. Metaru shonono koitana. My cells are singing of greatest love. Elona koratuna. Setuna ne. Heyanakai. Feel the energy of your beautiful physical heart, joining frequency and vibration with your higher heart. Your beautiful physical voice joining vibration and frequency with your higher voice. Your beautiful physical brain, mind joining frequency and vibration with your higher brain, higher mind. Super mind, universal mind, heart, voice. Source's higher heart, love, sound, voice, thought, wisdom, knowledge, knowing. Enanakara shana saratuno, telania maratono koisha. Gentle breaths, and so it is. And I'll read to you the prayer of completion. El amoratuno koicheradan. I am love, joy, remembrance. I am aligned and balanced with my divine I am, and all that is pure love, joy, and truth in the presence and awareness of now. I am the great mind of Source's divine heart. I am the great heart of Source's divine mind. All in union, all in love, all as one. An infinite presence of peace. I flow always in sacred connection as a pure soul, balanced and in harmony, as star and stone, earth as heaven, heaven on earth. I am all being, all knowing, all seeing, expressing divine truth everywhere, in everything, in every moment, in every now. Grace is my way, joy is my path, love is my being. In the all I am that I am. I live love. All doorways are open in divine time and flow. I am deep appreciation of my great soul being on earth as pure divine source. I am heaven on earth, here and now. So be it and so it is. And may all creation be blessed. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ilana ramandahania chiaro koisani amaratono. Chalani iki nasaratono no koisha. Thank you so much. Elahalani iratono for your beautiful presence in this circle. Elamoho ratunanaka, whether here live or listening after. Thank you for all that you are, who you are, and all that you be in this beautiful energy, in this galaxy, in the creation of Source. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Gentle breaths in and out. Feeling the divine love within you. Mera tuno no koye chera, salani I kiara dana. And remember that we are one heart, higher love. Ene sarotono no koye chera tuna. And say to yourself, thank you me. Thank you me, thank you me for showing up, for being here, for hearing the voice of my own soul through these words. Thank you me. Gentle breaths. It's feeling in your bodies in this now. Feeling in your bodies in every breath. We thank the grandmother, grandfather winds for coming in and assisting. All of the energies of Source, our great I am. Thank you, thank you, thank you. For everyone in this circle, in this connection, thank you, thank you, thank you. And so it is.